Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola E5 Play, and today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper. So, to do it, you will basically need to hold the screen like this, and you'll see this little icon right here, wallpaper. And here you'll get to choose where you want to get the wallpaper from. If it could be in, let's say, your photo library, or you can just choose the system ones. I'm gonna choose this one, just once. And here you have device ones. And as you can see, there's only one. But if you find one, you can also go into My Photos and allow it, but there is no photos. So let's just take this one for instance. And once you pick your wallpaper, you just tap on Set as Wallpaper, and here you get to set if it's gonna be the home screen or the lock screen. And I'm gonna just choose the home screen, and then it sets and will become your wallpaper. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like if you found this video helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.